How to set up a GoFundMe account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can set up a GoFundMe account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up a GoFundMe account, just go to gofundme.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. And once you're on the website, over here you'll find this option known as Start a GoFundMe, or here you'll find that option as well. So you can just click on the Start a GoFundMe option if you are new to the website. Once here, you can just select your country or your region. So just make sure to go ahead and select your proper region first of all here. And just keep in mind it is not also available in all regions, but some of the regions that are currently available will be shown up here. And then you can simply go ahead and basically enter your zip code as well. Once you've done this, you can just enter why you're actually fundraising. So you can just go ahead and select this any option here, and then just click on the continue option as you would be able to find it. Once you click on the continue option here, you can see it says who are you fundraising for yourself, for someone else, for charity, or anything as such. You can just go ahead and select any of these options here and then just click on the continue button here. Once you've done this, over here you can see your initial target. So you can just go ahead and make sure to enter your initial target based on the USD currency, or depending whichever country you choose here. And then after that, to receive money raised, please make sure the person withdrawing has a US social security number, a bank account, and postal address in one of the 50 states. And once you've done this, just click the continue button here. After you click the continue button, over here it will ask you for a couple of details. So first of all, enter the first name, enter the last name, enter the email address, enter the password that you want to use over here. Once you make sure to enter the password that you would like to use, you can agree to the terms and conditions, click the sign up button, and your GoFundMe account will be successfully ready for use. This way you can set up a GoFundMe account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.